Are you ready for IT and OT convergence? Beyond the traditional IT realm lies a vast territory of non-IT equipment that is integral to your operations. Let's assess your readiness to monitor these crucial elements. Step 1. Do you use an agentless solution that supports monitoring connectors for all OT-specific protocols? Step 2. Do you share real-time insights with geographical and operational views to keep IT and OT teams on the same page? Step 3. Do you monitor your business processes end-to-end from the physical devices all the way to the business applications in the cloud? Step 4. Have you defined key performance indicators for your IT and OT infrastructure that can be shared to make informed decisions? Step 5. Have you developed a specific incident response plan for your operational technologies to separate IT and OT alerting workflows? Starting your non-IT monitoring journey may seem daunting, but with the right tool and these 5 steps, you can unlock unprecedented control and insight into every facet of your business. It's time to take the leap. Contact us today to tackle the challenges of IT and OT convergence in your organization.